Only watch this video if you haven't been able to solve this exercise by yourself. Why? Because you don't learn Excel by watching videos, you learn Excel by trying it yourself in Excel. In this sheet, there are no annoying exercises as a warm-up. We just need to make a pivot table. So let's do this. We're going to select the whole table. I did Control A. Then we go to Insert and click on Pivot Table. Where do we want the pivot table to appear? Not in a new worksheet, but in the existing worksheet. Let's see. It says M8. That's over here. All right. Okay, so we're gonna drag the year into the columns as we see on the picture. What else do we see? We see revenue as the value. So I'm dragging in revenue. Then I see names, Dubois, Lopez, and Williams. Those are names. So I assume that it's the representative. There you go. I see there is a filter. Wait, I'm gonna move this way. I'm gonna move the pivot table down so you can see it. So I'm gonna filter for Germany right away. There you go. And there's something special because there's like a second row. So the way to do that is to drag the product below representative. This is the way it should be. Look what happens if product is on top of representative. You see, then you first see the product, and below every product you see which representative sold them. So the order here that you show here matters. All right. That's it. No, that's not it. We still have to change the sum to average, because here you see that we want the average of revenue. That's why the numbers were different. So the way to do that is you click here on the revenue, you go to value field settings, and then you select average. All right. Let me clean these numbers. So the big comma, and then we take away the decimals. Okay, now it's the same way. Now it looks the same. Another way to do this is right click and then value field settings. Here you can select sum or average. And I think there's also another way. Let me check. Yeah, here. So right click and then summarize values by average. That's also a way to show the average instead of the sum.